Rũcinĩ rwa muthenya wa kerĩ, Minister wa maũndũ ma nja ya bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ Alfred Mutua agĩte na gĩikaro na Minister wa maũndũ ma nja ya bũrũri wa Canada Melanie Njori kwarĩrĩria ũiguano wa mabũrũri maya merĩ.
And we want to reinforce our people-to-people ties because there's more than 40,000 Kenyans living in Canada and we're extremely proud of this great community.
Mamwe ma maũndũ marĩa marĩrĩirio nĩ ũrĩa Kenya ĩngĩgunĩka na mĩeke ya wonjoria na mawĩra bũrũri-inĩ wa Canada.
Canada has large market, if I can say, or demand for seasonal workers. So people go and work in farms, in factories, in seasonal for a few months and then come back home. So we're looking forward to those opportunities and we'll be discussing them more. Then we've got the temporary skilled workers. Canada has a requirement for, I think, medical field workers, nurses, doctors and all that. And so we're working on a framework.
Ũhoro-inĩ wĩgiĩ mbara ĩrĩa ĩrathiĩ na mbere bũrũri-inĩ wa Sudan, Minister ũyũ wa Canada nĩ anyitĩte mbaru atongoria a mabũrũri ma Afrika kũgeria gwetha kĩhonia gĩa gũcokia thayũ rĩrĩ Mutua augĩte thirikari no ĩrathiĩ na mbere gũteithia arĩa marenda gũcoka na mũciĩ.
We work to evacuate Canadians, permanent residents and their families from Sudan. Kenya welcomed them and ensured their safe passage, and so thank you so much for making this happen.
We evacuated 409 Kenyans, and we have more Kenyans living in Sudan. You find that there are Kenyans who are outside Khartoum who have decided they want to stay in Sudan, and so we are evacuating anybody who wants to leave Sudan.
Thirikari ya Canada nĩ ĩheanĩte ũteithio wa ciringi bilioni 8 kũrĩ Kenya cia gũteithĩrĩria kũhũrana na mathĩna ma ũcenjia wa rĩera. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.